Hello Central Florida, my name's Mauro Costa, your luxury home specialist, bringing yet another great opportunity in the Winter Garden area. This property offers 4,300 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, a self-cleaning pool that's screened in, and a 3-car garage. Come on, let's take a look. All right guys, welcome. Now, as you come right inside the home, you've got this beautiful foyer, which has got really tall 20-foot ceilings, beautiful chandelier up there. As you look over here to the left-hand side, you've got what could be a full bedroom with its own bathroom. So it is a suite, or it can be utilized as an office, as they've done here. Now, as we approach the great room area, you'll see beautiful staircase with some really nice stair railings. But as you come right through, there is an absolutely gorgeous wine cellar that has got a little, like a step down right here. Great for wine storage, and you also have an ice maker and a butler's pantry right over here to the right. As you come on over to the kitchen, guys, you'll see this absolutely massive island with plenty of seating for 20 people. So when you're entertaining your friends and family, this will be a great gathering space for you. But if you look right behind me, there's also this great little island here, which is, it's got a prep sink. So as you're kind of making Thanksgiving dinner, everybody can kind of be surrounded and be part of the conversation as well. You've got some beautiful KitchenAid appliances that are stainless steel, and then also a KitchenAid large 42-inch refrigerator, as you can see here. Well, as we approach the cooktop, you'll notice that you've got a 5-burner cooktop right here, along with a pot filler here. So when you want to do those lobster boils, or if you're trying to, cook a bunch of pasta, this is always great. And as we come up to the casual dining area, which is tied into the great room, it overlooks the beautiful pool and also the great room area. Again, it's just a great entertainment home. Right next to the dining area and great room, we've got these beautiful cornerless doors. So when you open them up, there's no beam here. It gives it a very open and inviting feel when you're trying to entertain to the outside. Now, as we come out into the covered lanai area, there are some speakers that are built in here. So if you wanted to have a nice Friday night party, you can do that. There's also outdoor speakers that are installed throughout the property, as well as this very tall 2-story screen. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a self-cleaning pool. It does have a PebbleTech finish, so it'll feel great on your feet as well, but very therapeutic. And you also notice that the deck here that they've done is a Trex deck, which I love the difference in materials. It just softens up the area of the pool so much nicer. Now, as we walk right over here, you've got a very large spa. Again, self-cleaning as well, but it's got a beautiful spillover, very modern look, just a great clean design. And I think you could fit about 10 people in here very comfortably. Now let's handle some of the business parts of the home. As we approach the garage, you've got this really good size drop zone for you to put your book bags and shoes and things of that nature. And then you also got a very good size laundry room, which has got front load washer and dryer with a nice granite countertop there for you to do some ironing and folding, and also custom cabinetry. On the way over to the master suite, we're going to touch on the pool bath, which is accessible from the outside. It's one of the half baths that we talked about earlier. As you come into the master suite, you'll notice nice tray ceiling here, and then right over here is going to be the master bath, which they've done a really, really nice job of accentuating a lot of the details that are here. You've got this beautiful porcelain floor that kind of rolls throughout the whole home. Nice custom cabinetry with plenty of storage space. And then you also have this beautiful stacked stone wall. Now we're in the master shower. I mean, it is massive in here. There's also a really nice stool here for you to sit down, or a ledge. You got a beautiful rain shower head and plenty of natural lighting right here in the shower. All right, guys, as we come upstairs, you'll notice this beautifully modern railing here, which I think is really, really nice. Now, I've got a secret surprise here for you that we're gonna touch on a little bit later, but first, let's handle some of the bedrooms and some of the other spaces of the home. Now, when you come into this room, you've got this very large loft area, which can be utilized as a video game room. There's also some areas for you to do homework and things like that and use it as an office. We also have a half bath here, which can be utilized by your guests when they're here and they don't have to go into anybody's bedroom, which I think is really nice. Now I'm going to take you into one of the larger bedrooms of the upstairs. Now this is almost like a secondary master suite. It is massive. There's plenty of room, beautiful tray ceilings that you'll notice here. And then the bathroom is really gorgeous. Porcelain tile, nice stand-up shower with 3/8 glass. You also got quartz countertops and beautiful gray cabinetry. Okay, we're gonna go to the bedroom right across the way. Now this is a suite. It does have its own walk-in closet as well as its own bathroom. Now as we approach this bedroom over here, again, this is another suite that is in here. It's a really good size room. I would tell you it's probably about 15 by 17. And this room has its own walk-in closet and its own bathroom. Okay, now let's take a look at the outdoor balcony. This has nice Trex deck, which feels great on your feet. Got these beautiful corbels here, and they've hung up some really nice lighting, and you can look right down at the pool. You've got great, beautiful bamboo that sits on the outside, kind of giving you some privacy and some gorgeous palms throughout the landscape. All right, now let's go take a look at that secret spot I was telling you about earlier. Now, as you approach the second floor, there's a nice little step up here into one of my favorite areas of the home, the movie theater. It's set up for 5 seating up here, and then also there's a nice little lounge couch over here. You got a 110-inch screen, plenty of surround sound, and you also have a microwave. You also have a refrigerator here, so really you don't need to leave in order to get anything, and the bathroom is just around the corner. Okay guys, thanks so much for taking the time out to view this beautiful home here in Winter Garden. If you'd like a private tour or additional information, give me a call at 321-231-6800. See you next time.